Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Mark Spider Guy here. Today's video is going to be a rehousing of my red island birdeater, which is the Phormictopus atrichromatus. Going to be moving her out of this little enclosure because she's got a good size on her now. I'm going to put her in this enclosure. So we'll just take the lid off. And then I'll spin you guys around so you can see what I'm doing. Put you down a bit. And there you are guys. Now if I lift that up a bit. You may be able to get a better view at that. So, first things we can do, I have got an idea for her. A bit chunky, but, you know, get some substrate in. Put that bit over there. Spread that out a bit. I want to put that so I can build it up a bit. But not as much. I'm just saying that. She'll probably just stay out anyway, because that's what she does. So until she moves into a bigger thing, I'm just going to leave it like that. I do need a bit more substrate in there. She is a fair size, so she won't be in here long, but I just need to move her in here temporarily till I can get one of the bigger enclosures for her. She may behave, she may not. She's normally pretty good, to be fair. There she is. Let's put a water dish in. Just top that up a bit. And we'll see if she's going to cooperate. Hopefully she will. Come on, little fella. Come on. Come on. There you go. That's it. There you go. In you go. Come on in. Just a bit more. Come on, put your legs over. There you go. There you go, mate. That's you all done. Right, need to put your legs down, kid. There you go. Right. And there she is, guys. In our new enclosure. Just got to wait for her to put her legs down so I can put the lid on. Are you going to put your legs down, little one? Come on. Right, if I can just move your legs. There you go. Right, stay there. Stop your skitzing. Oi. There you go. That's it, she's in. That's the red island birdeater. Right, all sorted, guys. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Up there. Dingling the bell. Up there. And do like it down there. Well, like it, subscribe, both, share, whatever. Right, that's it guys. That one is all done. She's in safely. Bigger enclosure. She will get a bigger one probably after her next molt. Till then, see you soon guys. Take care. Bye bye.